When you're designing a new factory or updating your existing facility, every detail can mean the difference between setback or success. Fortunately, all those details are encapsulated in data. That's why manufacturing innovators like you are digitally transforming their production facilities from the earliest stages of design right through to operations. Digital transformation helps you process data in a new way, revealing insights and allowing you to make informed decisions earlier when the impact of those decisions is most valuable. Using this data-driven approach, factory planning can minimize downtime, improve energy and materials efficiencies, and reduce costly real-world errors. Taking advantage of your 3D factory model, you can visualize the flow of materials, simulate energy use and carbon emissions, and strategically optimize your layout. You can collaborate with your building design team and visualize installation sequencing errors before they cause a disruption. You can optimize material use and production throughput. You'll improve communication and gain insights that lead to less waste and more profitability. Reduce machine running time to increase energy efficiency while lowering costs. And build sustainability into your system, making it easier to qualify for contracts and meet today's customer demands. Digital transformation of your facility delivers a high-performing, energy-efficient factory, a factory that has lower operating and production costs and increased production capabilities, that produces more sustainable products with lower embodied carbon, a factory that helps you keep your products competitively priced, your order fulfillment deadlines met, and your sustainability goals accomplished.